Hey, it's Tom Gallagher and another episode of The Story Behind the Car. We're looking at a 1970 Jeepster Commando, and we're with Dale. And Dale, can you tell us about the Jeepster Commando?
We have a 1970 Jeep Commando. We bought it, had it shipped up from Florida, St. Louis.
I'm not doing the whole thing.
About 5.5 years ago.
No, outside.
We did have trouble with the engine, had it all redone by Jasper, and a couple other little things, but nothing that sharp with the engine. And we love it.
It is gorgeous. And the design, it looks like it's something out of the mid-60s. I wouldn't have thought 1970. And how long have you had it?
About 5.5, maybe 6 years.
Okay. And was it in this condition when you got it?
Yes.
Wow. It is amazing. And do you ever remove the top?
No.
Yeah, it seems like it would be a lot of work.
A lot of nuts and bolts.
Yeah. And what engine does it have?
It's got a V6 Buick engine in it. That's what they put in the.
Yeah. Oh, back Jeep put in it?
Yeah.
Wow.
225.
Okay. Very, very impressive. And it looks like it has aftermarket air conditioning.
Yes, it has air conditioning.
Yeah.
It's an automatic.
Very nice, Dale. And any plans for it? Do you take it on any trips or primarily car shows?
Primarily car shows, and we'll go out in the country, close to home.
Yeah.
You never can tell what's going to happen if you go too far away.
Yeah. And you got the KC95 sticker on the back.
Hey, you want me to prove it?
Now, did you grow up in St. Louis, Dale?
You can't drive it. I guarantee you can't get your knees back to push the pedal.
And what drew you to the car? To the Jeep?
My girlfriend found it on
What are you telling me?
the internet.
Yeah.
She bought it and had it shipped up.
Wonderful. Well, it is just a gorgeous, gorgeous example of a very unique and rare vehicle. And we really appreciate you telling us the story behind the Jeep.
Thank you.
Thank you.